Hey guys, Cale here from EC Offroad. Now we are finally going to run you through our EC F450 build. We've had this truck for about 1.5 years. There's been some other guys like Matty from Explore Life that have done rig rundowns on this, but we haven't done anything. We keep getting asked. We're going to give you a full walkthrough of the 450, guys. Let's go take a look. Right, let's kick it right off with the lift, wheels and tires, because that's the main question we get asked. Of course, guys, this is LiquidSpring suspension. You would have seen us rave on about it, and we're not going to stop because it is absolutely insane. The best suspension I've ever driven on, guys. So LiquidSpring front and the back. So leaf springs out, coils out with 4-link rear, guys. Radius arm and traditional front end here with the LiquidSpring, no coil, as we said. So it's basically like a hydraulic setup. It's changing up to 1,000 times a second. It's a variable suspension, very, very smart. It's best for handling, the best for comfort, the best for towing. Right now it's raised up at 8-inch, ride height of 4-inch, and we can drop it all the way down just about on here. As we know, the 450s come as a dually on the back, so this is a super single, the Continental MPT 81 and the 335 80/20, so about a 41-inch tyre with the 20-inch Hutchinson forged wheel. So these are fully reversible, so you can take this off, flip it and put it on the back. You maintain the same track width, okay, so it's the same rim all the way around, fully forged one piece. So the front comes out about 6 inches and the back comes in about 1 inch, guys. So about 2.4 meters in the width. As we know, if you've watched our Cape York series, it is wide, but it is still doable. It fits just about everywhere. Of course, because we bring the front out, we have to do different guards. So there is different options with flares, fenders and guards. These are the McNeil Racing fiberglass guards, so that covers that wheel, guys. So these are also a fair bit of work involved in fitting these. These are wrapped. And of course on the front, because we're pumping out 6 inches either side, we need a custom bull bar. So this is the Outback Kitters pre-runner bar to suit 450 super singles. We fitted a few of these in the last year, guys. Awesome alley bar, Aussie made. So, and that comes right out here, fitting flush with the guard and the wheel. Front of the vehicle, while we're on the Outback Kitters pre-runner bar, inside there we've got a massive carbon 20,000 pound winch, guys. As we said, steel winch cradle, big recovery points here, fully rated. Okay, we've got side road vision lights facing out here, and we have gone with basically a full Morimoto lighting package on this truck, just to keep it all unique. So this is a 2021 Lariat, so you get a bit of a boring chrome grille. Morimoto actually make this grille, so it's a full grille replacement with some lights in here and here. Full headlight replacement from Morimoto. These are the Morimoto linkables here, guys. I think they're called the single banger lights. You've got the double banger lights up top there, so Morimoto's in the amber, the DRL and the clear. They are an awesome light out of the US, guys. We highly recommend them. Back on the side of the vehicle, guys, F450, bit of a custom badge here. This lights up and DRLs and does all that cool stuff at the shows. Down here, the AMP XL drop down steps, so the XL gives you a bit more protection on the sill. Up on top, our EC F-Truck roof rack. We've sold a few more of these since this. It mounts into the roof there. There's no drilling, nothing like that. It just bolts straight in. Up top of that, we've got the Starlink mounted, we've got the Maxtrax mounted, and we've got the 2 GME aerials. Okay, moving to the tray canopy on the 450. But I am just going to jump in the cab to the LiquidSpring and drop it down 8 inches. How good's that? We're down 8 inches, and much more usable height for the tray canopy. Now, what tray canopy is this, guys? It's an Aussie made. It's made by G-Works down New South Wales. It's a jack-off canopy. We've got headboard fillers here for the AdBlue and the diesel. The water's on the other side. Nice little tray sides, guys. Ladder rack, ladder, jerry can, the under tray boxes, central locking lights. Okay, inside the G-Works canopy, guys. So, 2 meter canopy still leaves us about 600-700 a tray on the back, being a 450, 8-foot beds from factory. So we get that 2.6, 2.8 meter tray. Really, really handy. Up here we've got a power system that we made in-house. It's a mixture of components. We've got Energizer Victron and DCS lithium, basically whatever we found, but it's 400 amp lithium and it's absolutely perfect. We've used it and it hasn't missed a beat. The Dometic upright fridge. We'll pull out the food pantry here. We've used all this up the Cape. We've done it all. Drawer, table. It's just super, super simple. The travel buddy up there. That's it, it's all you need. Absolutely simple setup. Okay, the driver's side of the G-Works canopy, guys, nothing flash here, just pure storage. Got our spare wheel here. You could throw this in the back, but it fits in here and it's just super handy. Some roof storage up here, another fridge bolted in here, guys. Big jack sitting there. Just storage, super simple, throw everything in, off we go. Love it. Okay, the rear of the 450, guys, again, I love the look of these tray canopies on the rear. Starting down below, we've got our Andersons and bits and stuff for our trailer. Big pintle hook here, this is 8 ton on the tow bar, rated to tow our boat. Down here guys, air brakes and the EBS system and our air compressor system, so air brakes on the trailers. Rear winch, this is our winch cradle guys, 15,000 pound carbon in there, and we have used it a few times up the Cape and it's absolutely perfect. I've used it at Fraser as well to pull the boat on. Rear winch is better than a front winch, I'm telling you. Up top, of course, like we said before, we've got ladder rack, we've got twin cameras here that's hooked into Safety Dave. And the best tent ever made up there, guys, is the Bush Company AX27 clamshell. Awesome tent. We've got the 270 Deluxe clever shade awning over here. We'll open that up and give you a look. So there it is, guys, the clever shade awning. There's no awning that's easier than this. You just unzip it, hook it on the other side, and it is done. I've always had them on my trucks. Awesome awning and Aussie made. All right guys, inside the F trucks, you don't need to do much, as we've said on every American video. This is the F450 Platinum, so it's not even the top tier. It goes limited platinum lariat, but it's still got everything in here, leather seats, heated and cooling, you name it guys. It's absolute luxury and a pleasure to drive. Even better with our head unit here guys, this is our F-Truck EC head unit. We sell heaps of them because the factory screen's quite small, to about 10 inches. So big screen, the factory, all the features are in there. There's nothing lost. You can connect this to the Starlink on the roof when we're driving long distances, maps, Spotify, everything's on there guys. It's absolutely brilliant. We've got our headrest monitors in the back there, our 10.5-inch ones. They're also connected to the Starlink, so the kids have YouTube anywhere. It's not the best thing when we're at camp, but it's the best thing when we're driving because they're quiet. Over here, Switch Pro RCR12, so this controls basically all our lighting. The big air horn under the back, the horn blasters are 9 air horns under the back of the canopy. All our lights, as we said before, compressors, everything down here. We've got our air compressor gauge down here for our air brakes, our LiquidSpring controller here, guys, GME UHF. That's about it. It's just super simple. There's nothing much needed. Our Safety Dave up here, obviously massive. This is the twin panel moonroof in this one. Upfitter switches here for some of more of our lights. That's it, super simple. Heaps of room. Even the lariat's got a sub under the rear seat. Awesome sound system. You don't need to do much. And in case you're wondering, this truck was the green truck. It's now white. We have wrapped it again since the Cape series. Now guys, some things you can't see, as we said, we got our big horn blasters system underneath the rear canopy. There's about 9 air horns under there, just to really wake the neighbours up. Underneath, we've also got the 250 litre factory replacement diesel tank. Now, some of you are probably wondering why we do a 450. It's because of GVM. A lot of the trucks with canopies and tents and towing and all that, guys, are over GVM or getting very close. These 450s have a 4.5 tonne rear axle loading and an overall GVM of 7.2 tonne. Amazing. This truck as it sits here now, fully loaded, is only around the 5.5, 5.4 tonne. When our boat goes on the back, there's about 600 to 700 kilo of ball weight. So that gets up there close to the 6 tonne, but we are still have over a tonne of payload, guys. So absolutely perfect. It's lovely to drive with the LiquidSpring. And of course, don't forget the GCM is at like 20 tonnes. So you're never gonna run out of GCM. Also guys, we've had this over to Jake at Elite Diesel. He's tickled up the engine and the exhaust. Reese, the legends over at G&L, have done diff gears to suit the bigger tyres and the front air locker in this beast. So look, it hasn't got everything, but it's not much we haven't done. We've done the Cape, we've done bits of high country, we've done a few things now. It has not missed a beat, it hasn't let us down once. This thing is amazing. I love it. I'm probably not going to ever sell it. It tows the boat. Amazing. We've done a few big trips in that. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you want any more info on this truck or your next American truck build or F450, F550, they're getting bigger. Or if you're looking at where to potentially purchase an F450 or 550, we can put you in contact with the right people, guys. So give us a shout. Pick up the phone, jump on the socials. Don't forget our website, ecbuilds.com.au. Thanks for watching.